Hi, my name is DC Knight, General Manager and Pro Shop Operator of Cardinal Lane's Beach Bowl. We're here today to talk about bowling equipment. Bowling equipment's come a long way throughout the years. It started off with wood, bowling balls way back in the early years. Then it went to rubber. This is an example of a rubber ball. This was used back in the 50s and 60s. In the 70s, it became plastic. Most people use plastic bowling balls. Nowadays, plastic balls are still used, but mostly used for the higher average bowlers on their spare shots and for beginner bowlers. In the early 80s came the urethane ball. The urethane will hook more than the plastic ball without rolling too much on the back part of the lane. In the early 90s came the resin ball. The resin reactive bowling ball is what's used today. It's what they use on the PBA tour. It's what most of your higher average bowlers use. There's also accessories for bowling. They have wrist devices. They have elbow supports, different powders to help your hand stick or slide out of the bowling ball. Everyone that bowls must use bowling shoes. Bowling shoes are different because they have a slick sole on the bottom that helps you slide on the approach, and you'll need a bowling bag. Nowadays they have 2-ball bowling bags, 3-ball bowling bags, and even 4-ball bowling bags. So in short, this is what the bowling equipment is available out today: balls, bags, shoes, and accessories.